This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Shayla Anderson. This modern two-story townhome offers an open concept design, seamlessly connecting the main floor kitchen, great room, and dining room, for living and entertaining. Custom plantation shutters installed on sliding glass door. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious owner's suite, one additional bedroom, and a flexible loft space ideal for a home office or extra living area. This home is less than 1 year old. Located in Abbott Square, a vibrant masterplan community in Zephyrhills, Florida, this home offers access to incredible amenities, including a clubhouse lounge, resort-style pool, fitness center, game room, barbecue grills, and lush green spaces. Plus, you'll be just minutes away from local golf courses, schools, recreation areas, and shopping. Come experience the lifestyle you deserve at Abbott Square. For more information,